Hello there, lovers of the tarot. So, the card that came up today was the Ace of Wands, and when I was first introduced to this card, it was a card that my teacher called the card of God, because, well, it's not only the hand of God as in all the aces, but it's the card of the wands, which is the fire, the light, the more elevated, more subtle, vibrational, spiritual element of all the four suits of the tarot. And so this is that part of us which connects to the divine unity, and so it's the part of us that connects to God and connects to oneness. Now, at one time or another, I had an allergy to the word God, and I definitely didn't like the Christian sort of connotations that came with that word, but I got over that through time. I guess, and it was a slow process, but I got over the sort of the religious connection to the word, and understood that it just represents this unified collective consciousness that we're all tapped into, that we're all connected to, that our individual and apparent separate consciousness is very much a part of, and so I saw the God consciousness as a unity awareness that we can all tap into, and this card represents that unity awareness. It represents that part of us which connects to all things and connects to the divine in life. And I'm feeling more in my meditations these days that that I'm calling upon this divine energy of unity, and calling very much upon wanting to tap into that unified source, and being able to see everything in life and all things around me as being a part of me instead of separate stories. And this is, it's definitely a practice. It's definitely something that I would love to have the consciousness more of, but this card in a way represents that unified consciousness that transforms all of our lower ways of feeling and thinking, and all of our lower beliefs about ourselves, transforms and changes everything, and promotes a different, higher level of awareness, which is more beautiful, more connected to life around us, more connected to everything, where we feel like this divine love and transformation ability to create all things that we want to do, to create, to be different aspects of ourselves, and to manifest a different level of being in our life, which I think is, it comes with this trust, or this belief that we can be different, this belief that we can be abundant, confident, special, passionate about our lives, that we can be even happy, even just completely satisfied with who we are. Just breathe in that satisfaction for a moment. The Ace of Wands, fantastic message for today, being the equinox, and much love to you all.